Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2016 BMW X1 that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade. This X1 is no exception. The X1 is BMW's smallest crossover SUV. It's a subcompact, but definitely doesn't feel too compact on the inside. In fact, for 2016, the X1 is completely redesigned, and it's built on a different platform, which allows for a more spacious interior than the previous generation X1. Lots of standard features, great driving dynamics, and luxury car comfort that comes with the BMW nameplate. With the original build sheet on it, the mineral gray metallic paint was a $550 premium color. This has a cold weather package as a $550 option, giving you heated front seats. Then it has a driving assistance package that was a $1150 option, giving you a rear view camera, park distance control, and parking assistant. The panoramic roof was a $1350 option, and that's a nice feature, allowing lots of natural light in the interior. And if it does get too bright, you have a sunshade, and it also opens as well. It is just so nice having that big glass roof panel up there. It makes the car feel a little bit more spacious and bigger than it is. Then we have the navigation and business. That was a $1,200 option for an original MSRP of a little over $40,000. Nice upscale interior. I love the stitching throughout. You have the nice contrast stitching in the dashboard. 8-speed automatic transmission is great for performance and fuel efficiency. Pretty fuel efficient. It averages right around 26. EPA rating I think is right around 22 city, and it's in the low 30s on the highway, which is pretty good. You have a drive mode selector that makes changes to transmission shift points, steering, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings. You have hill descent control, probably not going off-road too much with this one. And I do believe this one is also an all-wheel drive model. It is. You can get these in either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. This one has 43,920 miles at the time of making this video. That gray is a nice color. And for a subcompact crossover, interior space is really good actually. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. I have plenty of space back here, plenty of head and shoulder room. Sometimes my head, when I'm sitting in the back seat, is you know, rubbing against the ceiling. But you can see here that, you know, I have plenty of headroom back here, which is excellent for a vehicle this size. And then the panoramic roof also benefits the rear seat occupants, so you have a little bit extra ambient light back here as well. Nice on those dark overcast days we have in the Pacific Northwest. Sometimes it can be a little bit gloomy, so those glass roof panels just makes it feel a little bit brighter and happier on the inside. Power rear lift gate, cargo area cover, of course you can remove that, fold down the seats for excellent cargo space for those big Costco runs. Of course, this has been serviced and checked by our techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good. All it needs now is a new home. The heart of this X1 is this twin power turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Makes about 220 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque. Being a 4-cylinder with that 8-speed automatic definitely helps fuel efficiency, but performance isn't too bad as well. BMWs generally are also fun to drive and perform very well. This does 0 to 60 right in around 6.5 seconds. Not too shabby. That's definitely performance car territory. So you'll have lots of fun driving this X1. Low ownership costs, fuel efficiency, great price point for a used premium luxury crossover. Any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.